Hello there, my beautiful angels, love yous all. Today we're gonna do some Hot Wheels and I'm excited, yeah! It's a 5-pack and it's called Car Meet and it's 50th anniversary. Sorry about the glare, guys. First car is a Ford Mustang 1999. This is that one. Second one is Mitsubishi Eclipse concept car light bar. That's that one. This one here is a BMW M3. This one here is a 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. And then this one is a Subaru Impreza RX WRX. My 5-pack, guys. So let's crack it open. What do you reckon? Bear with me for a minute. Here we go. Da 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 da. Alright, let's start off with the Mustang. Side tempos. Can you see the shininess on it? Hang on, guys, I'll see if I can stop this glare. Got a metallic paint job on it. No back tempos. No front tempos. Oops, sorry about that, guys. And we'll get them Mitsubishi Eclipse. Security. BMW. I really hate when Hot Wheels puts their logo on the cars. I really hate that. And this one doesn't have it. Unlike this one here. The logo's there. They're all plastic body. and metal tops. Suppose you pay more if you want metal on metal. The gasser. Look at that engine. See a big logo there. I hate putting on logos. I know they're Hot Wheels cars, but still, if they want to make it look real, stop putting on Hot Wheels stickers on it then. Then the Sporty Rally WRX STI. There's a logo there, Hot Wheels logo. The only thing that this is missing is the roll cage in it. It's got sporty seats in it, but no roll cage. Nothing in the back. Metallic paint. Right guys, that's my 5-pack car meat it's called. Alright guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to show you my new 5-pack that I got on Hot Wheels. I'd just like to say, comment down below please, comment, please, subscribe, smash the bell, and like. Okay, it's very important to me. It's not hard, please. Alright guys, I'm LashGo. Stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool mate. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Bye.